What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome back to another badass episode of MudbugMiniTrucks.com. Today we're bringing you a 2020 Hijet HD model dump truck. Go ahead and scoot around so you can see, check out those strobes kicking it in the front. Gonna be doing some plow work here in a little bit. Go ahead and start off with our front bumpers. You can see we're always making really cool stuff. Everything's always different. We try never to duplicate the same thing. One off, that's all you get. One truck, that's it. Check it out, guys. 4,500 pound Viper winch and a 26-inch LED curved light bar. Really cool looking stuff. And check this out. See if I can get a good view of it. This is a skid plate. If you can see it, it runs all the way from the very front to about the back of the bell housing. So it protects the most vital parts of the truck. And you can see running a set of 25 812 rip saws. These are some nasty tires. Look at the lug in this thing. That thing is sick. About a good 1.5 inch lug. That thing is just crazy cool. And running on a set of rocks. I believe these are called a 287. And of course we got that super lifter you see up underneath there. I don't know if you can see it too good, but really good stuff, guys. Everything you can see is handmade too. We make it all right here, and it's only getting better by the day. Some of the features you may not know about a HD model truck is actually the thickness of the metal. It's much heavier metal. Also comes with this tall headache rack, as you can see right here. And the metal is much thicker. I don't know if you'd be able to get any view of that because the camera's not too good. But anyway, in consideration to the pickup trucks, just so much more heavier. Also comes with a bigger cylinder and bigger brakes. So it's just an HD model, which is really nice. And this is a brand new one. Just kind of go around here. As you can see, we put the back bumper on. Got those strobes kicking it again. A little trailer hitch receiver back here. The strobes for when he's doing some highway work. He can, hopefully stop from being, any type of accidents or what have you. Again, we're going to go ahead and move around. Truck is running at this time extremely quiet. Just a beautiful truck. And again, it is brand new, so there's not really a lot of anything to really show you in that regard. And if you haven't seen it, these are what the brand new HD model trucks look like inside. Just absolutely beautiful. I love this body style. It's my personal favorite body style. I'm a Toyota fan from the get-go, and this truck is produced by Toyota. Check it out, guys. It is a 5-speed with the high-low transmission you see back here. And check it out. Also, it's got that lock and diff up front. It's got a lot of great features. Bed light, you can see right there. Like all my trucks, AC and heat, 4-wheel drive. That's the winch operation button you can see right there. Everything is professionally done. And of course, the lights that operate the strobe and the front light bar is pushed up here. Again, always neat and clean. I'll go around the other side, and I'm going to just go ahead and lift the bed for you so you can see what it looks like underneath there. Just a really beautiful truck. That is a sexy body style. I'm going to just back out a little bit. Man, that is a great looking truck. I love this body style. Personally, I think it looks better than the new Suzuki's. That's just me. Anyway, I'll go ahead and show you. Operation button is right here for your dump truck. You simply push the up and the dump button at the same time, and magic happens. Really nice, quiet. Of course, it's clean because it's brand new. But my trucks would look like this whether they were new or used, so it doesn't make any difference. It was really nice, guys. Check that out. And by the way, guys, today it is freezing cold. We're about, I think we're about 37 degrees, and we're going to drop down to the 20-degree mark here tomorrow. And we're also going to get some rain, and we're supposed to get some snow here in Sealy, Texas. That's crazy. That's right outside of Houston, guys, so people don't know where I'm at. And guys, if you need a truck, MudbugMiniTrucks.com, 832-951-5220. And I really want you to hit the subscribe button, the little bell icon, maybe a thumbs up on the videos, guys, because I have a truck that is coming out in the very near future that is freaking legendary. It's going to set the standard for everybody else. Well, of course, we always do. But if you need a truck, guys, look at the trucks I have. And I have 9 more coming, including a couple deck vans. I got a couple dump trucks back there. I don't have any scissor lifts at this time. I'm working on getting them. I got a couple automatics in, a couple jumbos back there. Got a couple minivans. I even got a Jimny coming, guys. Just keep looking. Anyway, guys, if you need anything, you can reach us again, 832-951-5220. It's mudbugminitrucks.com. Please hit the subscribe button. I got so much more to show you. Wait till this next truck that comes out. If I'm not mistaken, I'm going to run tracks on it. It's going to be a built-in shower, a stove, all kind of good stuff. It's really going to be worth watching. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for viewing. It's mudbugminitrucks.com, where the legendary trucks were built. Howdy from Texas, guys. God bless you.